Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Titania black currant. We're losing our light here. It's late in the afternoon, but I wanted to get out here and show you some of these varieties because we're going to harvest them tomorrow. Titania, for us here, has a little bit of a stronger taste than some of the other black currants we have. And when I say stronger, it just means its sugar content isn't as high. So if you do end up growing this, you probably want to consider it one of those ones that you're going to process into a jam or a crumble, or you're going to cook in some way. Titania is resistant to powdery mildew and white pine blister rust, and it's very vigorous. You can see this is kind of taking over a little more than its allotted area here. Prune back all of everything in our orchard quite heavily in the winter, and we'll do the same with this one, but my guess is it'll grow right back. This is Titania black currant. It is a stronger tasting currant for us. It's very productive, very resistant to powdery mildew and pine blister rust, and it will produce a lot of currants for you. So this would be a good one to have in your collection if you're up for getting more than one black currant.